To activate eSIM on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings we're gonna go to Network and Internet, and then in here you want to choose SIMs and Mobile Network. Now in here we have the option to download new SIM, so let's select that option, and then here we can set up an eSIM, or of course you can transfer a SIM from another device. So I'm gonna set up the eSIM over here, wait a couple of seconds, and then you should be able to scan the QR code that you have received from your operator or service provider. You can also of course use the activation code, but I'm gonna show you in a second how to do that. So there we go, now we can scan the QR code. You can also find the enter activation code option in case that's your preferred way. And also we can scan QR code from photo in case you took a screenshot of the QR code or if you just took a photo of it. So let me just quickly scan my QR code. And then we have the setup, so you can just tap on the setup button here in the bottom right corner. If needed, go through all of the necessary things and settings that you will see on your phone. And then once you are done, you should be able to simply complete the setup. Alright, so here we can now jump to settings. And over here, as you can see, we have the eSIM, so now remember to activate it by tapping on the switcher and turn on your eSIM. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.